This is the old speedometer. Proves my theory that this speedometer ain't worth a shit. When I connect it, fucking bullshit. Disconnect it. When you disconnect it, come on, you fuck. Finally fucking brake taking it on and off or what? See? Goes away. Plug it back in. Fuck. Disconnect it, goes away. Plug it in, comes back. Part ain't worth the shit. So, that's the old one. That's the old one. Junkyard replacement. Boom. It works. Went away. Why does it go away when I plug it in? Because it was a speedometer. It was a speedometer, guys. And I tell you, these harnesses are a motherfucker back here. Come on, fucker. Anyways, as you can see, yeah. Then I turn it over. No more chime. Woo! Now this is a different story. This is still not working because that's a sensor I gotta find, the speed sensor that'll make that work. But the good thing is this is working. Everything is working in this one. No more beeping noise. Fuck.